Hey guys, oh, oops. Welcome to another trading session. All right, so I have here, as you can see, my Notion. I put a lot of work into this to make it the best for my trading. I haven't used it in a while. Obviously, I cleared out some of the stuff. Um, I am more than willing to give this out to people. I'd have to remove some stuff, obviously. I don't want my deepest, darkest secrets being revealed. There's some stuff on here that I would be comfortable sharing yet, but yeah, it's nice having this set up. So I'm sure it's not that complicated to set up, but it just took a while of like kind of working through to see what's best for me and whatever. So yeah. Anyways, we'll start updating it and at least the P&L calendar here. I guess I could also do current balance, but I feel like it's not as important right now because I haven't really been trading the actual account yet. Once I start doing that, I can, add here and whatever. I have my strategies, checklist, all this other stuff. Yeah, most of this I have like just memorized at this point, but it's always good to have this to look back on as a reminder, give some structure, especially when you're not doing so well. Uh, yeah, so we'll check in on the trades. I do. I did have an alert on TradingView earlier today, telling me that one of the alerts went off for Euro USD. So maybe the limit order I set, again, it was just demo account trades, so I'm not worried about it or anything. Not taking it too serious, but I do think maybe there should start being a punishment for myself in the sense of like so aggressively. I'm not aggressive. I guess I didn't really take so many aggressive demo trades, but I need to create probably a better structure for myself um, as to show a good example, but also get in the habit of doing that. I think I've been doing all right so far. But yeah, enough yapping away. Let's actually start trading. So I'm going to close that. And let's get to trading view. All right. What? Okay, there's an alert I was talking about. I think I'm even in a trade right now. I got knocked in. So let's see actually. Oh wow. I'm up $50. Let's actually look at the account history here and see if I got knocked out of anything. Um, when was this? Yeah, I think I lost more money on GPUSD. That must have been wow. How many trades got off here? This was the 17th. Okay, that we know of. Or do we know of that? I don't think I even recognized that. I might have. Uh, there's another reason not to send so many trades. You lose money and you're not even realizing you are. Okay, so 18. That's all yesterday. Okay, so yeah, I don't like how it does it so spread out with the commissions and everything, but it looks like GPUSD was the one I lost on, and currently we're in one for Euro USD that we got tagged in on. So I mean, we'll let them play out. Well, it's because I'm on the 1 minute. No wonder it's having so much trouble with data. Yeah. So let's zoom in here a bit. That is pretty insane. I mean, it's not by the pip, but that was a kind of a crazy entry. Um, we could play it safe and kind of trail right now, but I'm gonna leave the trade to do its thing. Um, see, we got entered here by. Oh wow! So it was like one pip. Um, if this was like any other trading, because a lot of actually I wrote it down. I was checking on ACAP. What is like the spread? Bitcoin USD 170 for ACAP as your broker. Your ETH USD 20, Euro USD 0. So look at that. That paid off. So I think that's like the one currency. Maybe there's one other one that's 0. So no, I was able to get tagged in immediately at the price that I actually wanted. UK 100, 12 pip spread. I was thinking maybe we could try trading futures tonight. I don't really. I've tried in the past trading UK 100, but I don't really like how it moves. We can look at it again though. Oil is another thing that we could look at. I've had some success with that in the past. But yeah, most are like 1.2 if we're talking about currencies. If we're talking about futures or cryptos, then it starts to really build up. I mean, Bitcoin's crazy. 170 is like a ridiculous spread. So yeah. This wasn't even a big trade to begin with, so I'm just gonna let it play out. If I get stopped out, whatever. Like I said, I think I will do a punishment. I'll have to go get something tomorrow. Actually, I'm hanging out with my friend Saturday, and he's a boxer. So if anybody is watching this video and they get to this part, I think maybe I'll do like a gut punch from him, and he can just like wind up. It's gonna suck, but I'll do it. That, or I'll do like some hot food or something like that that I just can't handle. There's like an Asian market near my house that I'm thinking there's probably some really hot stuff there. Hot stuff. Let's quickly review the trades that actually fucked up on GPUSD here. So it seems like the British pound has not been very bullish. All right, so yeah, you can see clear as day. Wow, aggressive move down. I wonder. Oh, here. What's the news? UK retail sales data. Where did I miss this? We should check the news. I don't know why I wasn't aware of that. I don't remember seeing anything about that news coming out. That's a big mistake on my end. So yeah, I definitely deserve a little punishment. I've been a bad boy. Oh, that was fucking cringe. Okay. Okay. Oh, what? I came out at 12 a.m. Okay. I mean, London session doesn't really start till 1 a.m. officially. I think that's right. I might be tripping. We'll check in a sec. But yeah, wow. That really affected it that much, eh? I guess that is quite a bit of a difference. Damn. So there we go. That was in 1 hour. There you go. That's an impulse move. That just fucking. Oof. Imagine catching this short though. Like it seems like right here, if you this because it pulls back here, could have got a trade in maybe there. I was on the charts earlier. I was taking a nap. I was helping my sister out today, and I don't know the best. I wish I was one of those people that could just like pass out whenever they want, but like if I get waken up it's going to be real tough for me to go back to bed. So I was like, hey, I'm tired right now. I'm going to take the opportunity to let me at least take a nap right now, because I was planning on being on the charts as early as 11 p.m. But damn. Okay, well, I mean, there you go. I messed up. Good thing it wasn't on the actual count. So, anyways, yeah, you had like multiple entries here that you could have got in, multiple chances. This is stair stepping downwards. I think on this at this point is when I might have tried to get in, or here. I think it would. This is the safer option. I probably would have gotten at this point if I was looking for a short and I was watching the charts. But yeah, I deserve that. I deserve getting worked out there. Uh, didn't pay. That's what happens when you don't pay attention to news. That's how quickly it can move against you. So yeah, I don't. What is this? Oh, I have a limit down here. But look at that. I have another area that I was keeping an eye on, and this is a big trade. What just happened? Oh, I just moved that. Okay. Um, so yeah, I might have got. I mean, I'm saying it's gonna happen. It still has some room to have to go down here. Being a little greedy for it to come all the way back down here. Especially now, that's not really. What is this? It's from here to here, right? So that's past the 79. Honestly, I could get in here. Um, and I will do that right now. I don't care. I won't do it with my own account. Uh, Actually, I guess I kind of could. Let me look at the news first. Let me. Okay, so that's it for the news. So actually, we could maybe do this on my own account. Damn. I might go to the lower time frames here and actually look for an entry. So switch rid of this. That does give us a bigger, less of a risk to reward by being like trying to get in there. But you see this wick here? I mean, it could go down to this order block, sure, but this wick, like, look, a lot of support, and it bounced again around this area. So, I mean, I guess I'm not really going with the trend now. I don't. That was a very impulsive thing for me to just get in there right now, actually. So, um, this one I'd trail. I'd be a lot more cautious with it because I can see it like bouncing back up, but it's kind of like, I think the term's like dead cat bounce, in the sense that like, or a relief bounce or something like that. I don't remember the exact terminology for it, but basically I'd be maybe trying to aim for like halfway here. We'll actually mark that out real quick, because I think I've already used my alert, so I'll set an alert like there. Probably the reason the price is like paused right now, that's weird. Is the charts, what's going on here? Oh, what? That's that's not great. I don't think I've ever had that happen to me. Okay. Okay. Damn. Shit. Okay. Hopefully that doesn't affect us. Maybe I shouldn't, until that gets fixed. I'm definitely not trying to enter position my actual money. Okay. I didn't need to be douchey like that, but whatever. Remove this previous day low. Yeah, but back to what I was saying. I think it could come back a bit just to capture some of that liquidity before pushing back down, because arguably this could just be like a retracement based on the news, but now, or it could be a news complete trend change. So yeah, I mean, kind of the fact that it broke here could be considered a change of character. I mean, it's not like a clear one, but it is saying this one is here. Let's go to the higher time frame, like the 4 hour maybe, get a better idea. Yeah. Okay, so it was the area that I was thinking. It's not a strong change of character though. Like you'd want this to impulse down. And yeah, this is the order block I'm talking about. So stop loss there is not amazing, but it does make sense. Um, yeah, I don't like how this. Like I think we noticed that on Euro USD the other day, or was it another pair? But there was like a weekly fair value gap, higher time frame fair value gap, and it just came through and took it. And I was like, oh, I'm not going to take a position because I feel like that might happen. So again, this is demo count, so I'm okay with that, but I'm not as confident as I was. So there we go. That's what happens when you're impulsive and you just go for the trade like I just did there. So yeah, I'll take a punishment for that for sure. If you guys have any other ideas of what I should do, let me know. I should be recording these losses. I'll do that on my own time. I don't want to like waste the video, make it longer by just charting that down. But I'll start recording it, even if it is paper trades. I'm gonna have in separate accounts. Like, yeah, I'll record it differently, obviously. So, anyways, we've only looked at GPUSD and Euro USD. I think we're losing position now on this one, which is fine. We'll let it ride out. If we're wrong, we're wrong. Again, it's kind of the same situation. Oh, okay. So yeah, it is the same kind of situation as GPUSD, where there is a weekly fair value gap. So I guess that's why I had a small position. Wasn't confident in taking a buy there. So it looks like, yeah, there might be a trend shift for both of these. It is a Friday though, so I mean, you definitely could start looking for shorts though. I mean, higher time frame, it's still arguably bullish. I feel like until it breaks this order block, to me, it's starting to change bearish. But I mean, there's no point in trying to argue. Like currently, it is in a short term bearish. So yeah, we could look on the other side and be like, okay, well let's try to get some shorts, some scalps. But I mean, I kind of missed that. It made the bulk of the move here. It was a clear entry on GPUSD where you could have got in. I'm not seeing as a clear one here. I'd want to see a bit of more of a retracement. At least I look for like a 50% retracement on impulse moves like this, even. And it doesn't seem like this one's maybe almost 50%. This one hasn't hit 50%. So maybe if this one hit like at least this area, honestly, around here, you can see here like equilibrium. Then I'd consider getting in. But yeah. But yeah, look, it's hunting all this fair value gaps now. It's taking all this, so this we can actually get rid of. It's tapped into the BPR as well, taking that. And now, yeah, we've tapped into the order block here. Yeah. I mean, this one we're giving it more room. But if it does crush through, I'm not going to be surprised. In this case, we're just kind of looking for confirmation of the direction, if it's actually bearish now. Like I said, I kind of missed the scalping opportunity. So you know what? Let's forget about these. I did want to look at currencies or gold or something. I know I mentioned also, like, contradicting myself, that you should be looking at too many things, but we've already crossed this off. I say we give myself like 10 minutes to just look at the other ones and see if there's even an opportunity there. I think because I am trading demo that I'm going to allow myself to be a little more scattered in what I'm trading, so I can try new strategies out and kind of experiment with that. But my actual account, then I'll be actually smart. And when it comes to my actual account, I can't be trading a lot of these things because of the spreads on them. The one that would make sense most to be trading right now would be your USD, GPUSD, USD, JPY. It seems like all the USD ones are the ones that have better spreads. Um, so, I mean, I could still do it with because I'm not really scalping with these other ones. Like gold has a 1.2 spread, so that's not bad. Yeah, well, let's take a look. Take a look. Indices, futures. Here we go. So I have already gold. Let's just check. I know the market is affected. Gold is affected. I mean, sorry, by the market news. So, okay. Well, Canadian dollar. Okay. Well, we're not trading that right now. I did consider that. I even searched it up to confirm it. People say you can trade it. There's actually. Let me show it. I mean, I'm sure a lot of people, if you are trading Forex, you know about babypips.com. It's a good site. It has a lot of stuff. You can get here kind of an idea of what's going on in the market. It gives you this market snapshot. So, yeah, we can see here it's shifting. The pound is not as strong. Canadians, dollars. Oh, okay. So it's about even with the USD CAD now. There used to be a bit of a difference there. Wow. So there we go. That's another reason. The Japanese dollar is strong right now, so maybe that's what we should be looking at. Taking shorts on Euro GPY and these other ones. So actually, this London Sesh. Did I have that? No, I don't have those. Oh, this one, I guess. Did I take a position on this one? No, I did not. Oh, I did. This was 2 days ago. Yeah. Okay. They've still no real-time data. I don't love that, guys. I don't know what's going on with TradingView. I might not be able to trade today, and we might have to call it quits. Wow. Yeah, I think I might have to call it quits, unfortunately. If the data's not going to upload for me, I can't really do anything. Interesting. It's going back up, even though the yen is so strong right now. Okay. Is the gold having the same problem, actually? Not updating here? Is it updating? Let's see. I mean, it's not moving. Oh, it is. Is it? Major stock slump on tech, global uncertainty. Okay. Okay, yeah. So, stronger dollar, but on prospects. Okay. So we're just kind of ranging, I guess, until we get a decision on the rates. So it's kind of what it's doing. So let's zoom out here and see if we can get a good range. Never mind. I guess we can trade gold. I'm almost hitting the 30-minute mark, so I might have to call it quits or make a part two or something. which I don't really want to do. I mean, I can, but yeah, okay. So on the daily, it's a bit bearish. I mean, you could say there's no clear order box, but I'm saying maybe like here, in this area. I don't think it would go as low as here. I mean, it could, but I don't see it going that low. Yeah, I could see it hitting the equilibrium. Yeah. All right. Well, I mean, I don't see really anything clear on gold. I want to be like just going through it, being quick at assessing any opportunities. Okay, so, well, I mean, I think I already used the alert system, but you could keep an eye on this area here. I'm just going to mark it out. I know that's not exactly an order block, but I just want to keep an eye on that area. Oof. Oh my gosh. I got an itchy throat. I've always done good on gold when I'm patient and like really wait for it to hit key areas because it can be so impulsive that uh, if you actually wait for like you're like okay, for example, yeah, let me draw this out real quick. I mean, I'm not saying let's use these levels, but I'll just do a quick example. With some currencies and some stocks, I mean, yeah, stocks too. But we're talking about Forex here. You'd only expect it to retrace like 50%, 62, maybe, get that area. And for that, usually you're never going to see it retrace as much as, especially if it's like being on a bullish uptrend. But with gold, even with its bullish uptrend, when I've got my best trades, I'm not saying this is always the case, is usually when it's between the 62 and the 79. And it can hit the 79. Some currencies or futures or whatever will never well, I mean, let's not say never, because that's never true. But it's unlikely for them to retrace that much. But because this is such a volatile thing to trade, it can do that. So that's my point. Sorry, a little ramble there. Hopefully that made sense. We'll look at oil. I don't like trading silver. I haven't had much. Actually, I don't know. Gold's better. There's more volume in it. It's better to trade. Oil, I've traded a bit. Something as simple as this. Uh, this one's, I mean, it can move, but obviously it depends on the news that's coming out. So a simple short, just here to here, could make sense. Also, I just want to point out, I can notice already, feeling like the fact that I'm looking at so many things at the same time now. You can feel like you start to confuse things and jumble up, and you just kind of get overwhelmed, overloaded with information. So that's why another reason why it's so good to just stick on one or two things. So maybe I'll do a thing where I'll rotate between them. Like Monday and Tuesday, I look at gold and I think 2 to 3 is okay. So gold and oil. So I'll do futures trading, and then another day I'll do currency trading. I know there's certain days that are better um, for certain currencies, like usually it moves better this day and whatever. I don't have that kind of information off the top of my head. I'd have to look into it more, but I'll definitely consider that. I think that might be a good idea, even with this demo trading. Or no, that's fine. Anyways, about to hit 30 minutes. I'm sorry I did not find any trades today. I will update later today uh, if if I end up getting stopped out on these other positions. Actually, quickly for just the fun of it, I was like, I got the idea of of just like being more aggressive on these demo accounts. I like using MT5 on my phone. It's just so easy. Uh, so I just placed some trades uh, here on Bitcoin. It's about even. I put a sell and a buy. Um, and basically, the idea here was like I put a sell and a buy at the same time, but like they're both 2 to 1s. So like if I end up getting stopped out on one of them, at least I'll be up 1 to 1. Well, that's the idea, but it's worked out before. It's also has it not worked out before? I think it has. It's not like a complete sure way of like getting it right, but sometimes you'll actually get wicked out because of volatility. Depends on where you're putting your stop loss and everything like that. But I'll update you guys on that. Okay. Well, this is a good example of it completely going against me. I took a buy on USD JPY earlier today, and it was doing fine. Same with CHF JPY. USD CAD was actually up at one point, like almost $10. And this is a smaller account on demo, so it's like more realistic. And I'm already down like $25. Dollars. So that's how quickly it can go against you. But I had a really large stop loss in both of those. So yeah, okay. So gold sell, I took that too. We're a little bit up on that one. Yeah. Anyways, nothing big, I guess, to update. Um, all right, I'll end the video there. So I will do a punishment, I guess. I'll yeah, I think I should do that. I'll update my Notion. Let me know if you guys want me to do anything with that and make it accessible to people. Um, it seems like is other stuff still having problems. Real quick. Okay, so this is still not working. Interesting. Yeah, I'll update this and I'll everything later. Anyways, call that quits. Um, yeah, have a good one, guys. Hopefully you're learning something or yeah, getting something out of this.